Hello, my name is Arshdeep Singh, student ID 303577777. I'm here for a presentation of ITEC 3001. The presentation is about system evaluation on the website, and the website is Fitzroy Legal Services. And this website is of an organization which is a community-driven justice since 1972. This organization was created for the people who need free legal advice, and when the Fitzroy Legal Service opened its door on in 18th December 1972, it became Australia's first non-Aboriginal community legal centre. Initially located in basement of Fitzroy Town Hall, in what was then one of the poorest suburbs in Melbourne, this new legal service set out to the unthinkable and providing free legal advice to all the newcomers. In the beginning, it was run entirely by volunteers, only later acquiring paid staff. To this day, they rely on extensive body of volunteers to run free legal advice services and assisting the newcomers in running many other programs. Although a relatively small organization, this organization has played an important role as the forerunner of community legal centers throughout the country. They have a long history of running public interest cases. So after doing the usability testing on the website, uh, this website is very well developed, designed and maintained, and the content provided is also very good. And even by just opening the website, users can get to know that this website is a charity organization website. But still, there are some of the recommendations I think would help the charity to grow their network and raise higher funds and donations. So the first recommendation which I think is the white spacing. As you can see in the screenshots I have provided from two web pages, that there is a lots of web white spacing in these photos. So white spacing is an important part in designing the website. It should be kept in mind before designing that web pages do not contain too much white space or too less white space. So there should be just enough white spacing. And the second recommendation, which I think is above the fold, some of the experts feel that there should not be more than enough on the screen when a user opens the website. Like in the screenshot provided, there are some elements which are not completely visible, which is not a good principle in designing. And the other things were good in the front page. And the other recommendation which I would like to make is this button, which is quick exit and is visible on the top. So I think what this button does is it redirects the user to a new web page, which is the camera weather. Also I have provided the screenshot, which I don't think is relevant because this is a community website. And when user comes here, when the first thing is, I don't think there needs to be any quick exit button, as user can just close the tab or something. But if needs to be provided, I think it doesn't need to redirect to the camera weather or something. So it's just opinions of the users. So I think designers should work on it. And the other recommendation I would like to make is the color combinations. Color combinations are the ones which lets the user decide whether the website is designed or not. Using too dark colors make the user experience boring, because before designing, firstly, it should be made sure that what kind of people are going to use the website. As like this one is a charity website, so I don't think there needs to be too much darker colors. As in the screenshot, there's a black color, there's a orange color, which is not a good combination of color, as also makes the website looks dull. And other than these, I don't think there is any other problems. These were just the few mentioned problems which I found from the users after doing the evaluation tests and usability testings. So to conclude, I think Fitzroy Legal Service is an organization which is working for betterment of the society, as there are lots of people who are there who cannot pay for the expenses of the court cases, and so this website is helping them a lot. They have also provided the phone contact numbers, they have provided the forms from where which users can fill in. They also have provided the language thing, the option where user can switch language. There are and there is also one option which is provided for the users who have eyesight problem. So the website is designed very good, and after conducting the usability via different approaches, we were able to get users feedback and recommend the necessary changes for the organization. Along with that, the need for and importance of usability testing can be identified via the report. And thanks very much for listening to me, and that's all.